I did not pluck, cut, or even curl my hair. It's Jessica Rosemary if you're new here, and if not, welcome back to my channel. This is UNice ready to wear wig in the length 24, and this is in their body wave pattern. This is how the hair comes straight out the box. Everything is already done for you, even the styling process. Along with your hair comes goodies, as you guys know, but we're starting off with the HD wig cap. The quality of the wig cap is pretty good compared to the ones from the local beauty supply store. I'm making sure the cap has all my hair tucked away as well as my edges. I won't be using any adhesive for this install. I'm going to tint the cap with a cream foundation. I like to go in with one that's my shade color or a shade darker just because it looks better to the eye. I have a big head and the wig is a bit too snug for my head, and for that reason I let the wig cap sit behind my hairline so it can blend in seamlessly under the wig. Every detail was focused on for the ready to wear wig, even down to the edges. The edges came molded and I was just pretty impressed, so I decided to show you that up close in this clip. Once I'm done tinting the wig cap, I like to adjust the wig to my head size, make sure it's sitting properly, and once I'm done with that, I start to then customize and tint the closure on places where I think I missed. And then I also like to go ahead and define the part during this step. My hair is not sitting as flat as it can be, so I'm going in with the KeraCare Wax Stick and a hot comb just to flatten the top of my hair, because I just like when my hair sits flat. I'm not really into like the bulky look. I then went in with the Tresemme heat protectant spray and the hot comb again just to really get in there and flatten my hair. I feel like my hair is looking a bit bulky, especially at the back there. I want this to be a glueless install, so I'm using olive oil's holding spray and I'm using Spritz holding spray as well. While the lace is still wet from the sprays, I made sure to use an elastic band to melt my lace in place. A mistake I made is using more of the olive oil holding spray. I would recommend using Spritz holding spray more than the olive oil just because it just gives you a better melt. While the lace is under the elastic band drying down, this is where I would typically style my hair, but thanks to UNice, my hair is already styled, so I don't have to worry about that. But I am going to make sure that my hair is laying flat. I was so eager to see my results, so I did not keep the elastic band on for long. I left the elastic band on for about 3 minutes. The longer the band is on, the best the lace looks once it's taken off. And also, I'm hot combing my hair to the back just because this helps with the curtain bang effect. That's the look that I'm going for. So these are how the curls come naturally. This is definitely a ready to wear wig. You do have to hot comb it, make sure it looks good to your head shape. Once you remove the elastic band, really make sure that you're okay with how your lace turned out, and that's all I'm doing here. I felt like my lace was a bit too visible for me. Off camera, I did go back and use Spritz alone on my lace. Once I removed the elastic band, I laid my baby hair with edge booster. The baby hair did look a bit too thick for my liking on me, so I did take back a little bit. I want my curls to be a bit loose, so I'm combing out the curls that were a bit tight, and I'm making sure that my hair just falls how I like it. The curls came really tight, which I love. Eventually, I decided to keep combing out my hair with my hands. I like how loose the curls became because I don't know, I just feel like loose curls just fit me better. I was debating if I should cut my curtain bangs just so they could be more defined, but I actually just like how my hair looks like this, so I left it this way. This is the end results, and I really love how my hair turned out. Will you guys be trying out UNice ready to wear wig? If so, comment down below, let me know how you're liking it. Thank you for tuning into today's video, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.